Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The IIF function is another way of expressing the logic found within the if-then-else statement using a more succinct syntax. There are three arguments used within this function. First is the logical test that is evaluated, then a comma, then the result to display if that evaluates to true, then another comma, and then the result to display if that's false. So the general syntax of the function is IIF, then parentheses, then the logical test, comma, the true result, comma, then the false result, close parentheses.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.